Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your Zoho WorkDrive storage. So first, you may want to head over to Zoho WorkDrive at workdrive.zoho.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Admin Console. This will open a new tab and you will be redirected to this page where you can see details about your account, and if you scroll down, you can also see here your storage information. Now, depending on the plan or subscription that you have, you can also see the capacity and how many storage have you already used over how many storage is still left depending on the subscription that you have. In this page, you can also buy additional storage by clicking on this link, Buy Storage Add-on. So if the free trial storage capacity is not enough for you, you can always upgrade for more. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!